Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How we can use counter in Fatek PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. I will open my WinProladder software and here we will choose first one close contact for any emergency or whatever. X0 is for example my emergency switch, and next I will take one input address of the counter, because when we're using the counter block we have to give one input address to the counter. X1 for example is our input address of our counter, and here you can choose the counter and simply write it here C0 or any C0 to C10, 13, 15, which number you like to choose you can choose. And here he is asking for value, preset value, how much you like to give. For example, I will give the 5 value that. And next this line is for clear, because of when counting are completed, after how you can reset your counter, you have to choose one giving one signal. For example, X2 I will choose to move function to store our value of the C0, and data register we will choose for example T0 and click it OK. And this small program I will first download to the PLC, and let's see. And here I will take the status of our program and see, here is our X0 is on. For example, this is, I will make it stop first. This is now stop, and now also this we will be clear, make it clear. First make it 0, because after you understand. Now see, as I give the signal at X1, I will write it here X1, and here we can give the signal. See, now I first give the signal. Now your counter is counted 1. As I make it 0, it will be stop. As I give again 1, after your counter will be counted 2. Again 0, it will be stopped. Again I will give one more signal, it counts 3. Because this function block, this counter block is, what's the function? He counts the pulses from the field. This is X1, can be a sensor or can be any encoder or whatever. When you like to, some things you need to be count in the PLC or for in hardware, anything when you like to be counting, make counting any how much counts how much things, bottles, whatever any which you using in the hardware, this block will be very useful for this counting. So X1 is your outside signal for giving the signal to your counter. Make it 0 and again give signal, again give one signal, again on. Now 4, 0, after again close, again give one more signal after counting are completed 5, again 0, see. But what's the benefit of this counter, how we can use this counter? This when complete his counting, after you can use one output. Output how can use? Stop this one PLC, and here we will make one input address, or for example if you use with compare, you can use. In previous lecture already I explained to you how we can use the compare commands. CMP right, and here you can choose that D0 when equal with for example 6, so our one output will be energized. D0, Y0 for example I will choose, and here I will choose Y1, and here is choose Y2, and this block compare how works. See, when my value is equal with 6, my Y0 will be on, and when this D0 value greater than this D0, after this will be Y1 on, and when this is less than 6, this Y2 will be on. So see, here we first make clear our value. So we must be first giving the make the run PLC, and after you see first this is now clear. Now X0 is off, X1 we will give the signal, 1 is okay. Now I make it little here. Why this Y2 is on? Because of this is the less than D0. This we use this D0, which is we stores the value of counter C0. When it's less than 6, we preset value we will decide it here 6. As the 6 are completed, after our output will be on when equal is with 6. But this is now less than, now Y2 is on. When greater than, after Y will be on, and when equal with 6, after Y0 will be on. See, when I again signal, again give signal, again give the signal, now 2 counts are completed, again give the signal, now 3 counts are completed, again one more I will give the signal, so 4 completed, again give the signal, now 5 are completed, again one more when give the signal, after that Y2 will be stopped and our Y0 will be start, and see now Y0 is now running, and as one more I give the signal, after this is the greater than of 6, after Y1 will be on. Make it again 0, and again when I give the signal, after Y0 will be closed and Y1 will be on. See, now Y1 will be on. And so this is the way of you can use the counter block in the Fatek PLC. It's a very useful command for counting something, bottles counting, anything which you want, depends on your logic. When you're using the program, use your own logic. But it's basically this you have to understand counter how works in the PLC program. Simply this X0 and X1 are any input you can use for this counting address, and any X2, X3, X4 you like to be clear the counter, this you can use, and after you can simply move the counting value in any data register, and this data register after you can make setting. Up here with compare command you also you can use, or have many more commands in the program, but this is usage of depends on your logic, how you use the logic. So I hope you understand about this counting, how we can use this counter block in the Fatek PLC. If not understand anything, send me message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.